Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. So RNDR is currently in the support zone for a possible wave 4, and this support zone is unchanged. Actually the entire RNDR chart is frozen. I actually had to check, is this actually still a live chart? Because not much happened, but yeah, it is, right? We see coins move up, right? RNDR hasn't done much. Yeah, there's been a small reaction here, but there isn't much, okay? So not much upside momentum. We want to talk a little bit about this chart. And first of all, my expectations still are, or at least I'm watching for, still another high in wave 5 of C. So still would like to see that. And this fifth wave, that would be one more high at least in this bullish cycle. I'm going to watch for that as long as we are holding the $4.13 level. That's the 61.8 retracement of the third wave rally, which topped likely in March. And we're not even close to that, so we might never get there. We don't have to get there, okay? But as long as this level is holding, I'm watching for one more high in wave 5 that could reach $23, maybe even $32, but let's just first see if support actually holds and we can escape that support region and start the next move to the upside. So for now, however, I have no evidence that this move down is finished. I see it as a fourth wave, an A, B, C structure. Ideal targets, I mean, again, there is no reliable micro count, okay? I could try to put some 1, 2, 3, 4 patterns in here, but it would just be a best guess, and then it's best not to do it at all. But it looks as if RNDR might go for one more low, actually. No? Good example that not all altcoins are doing what Bitcoin is doing. Again, best guess, okay? Best guess in this C wave is wave 1, wave 2. Then I have to say, I mean, this could all be a diagonal. And then a third, fourth, maybe even as a triangle and wave 5 to the downside. So there is risk for one more low. This double bottom structure doesn't give me much confidence that a low is already in. It might be a triangle that's unfolding here with one more low. Reason why I say that as well is the 100% extension to the downside, $5.05, $5.20, yeah. This is sort of a bit of a cluster there. This is a key level. I mean, that's the 100% extension at $5.05. That's a key target for a C wave to the downside. So we could still get there. And I mean, you might, I mean, what could be an indication that a low is in? Don't know if there's any, could use that trend line that seems to be relevant. We have definitely enough touch points there. 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. So pay attention to that. As long as we stay below the trend line, however, I think the risk for one more low is high. And as I said, it's possible that this fourth wave is a triangle. How is that playing out? Well, it could at least be. It's just microstructures, just an idea how this could be unfolding. A, B, C, D, E. So a little bit like that, where we need sort of another higher low and another lower high to complete wave 4. But I'll take that micro count off. These change very often, these triangles. But bottom line is, as long as we stay below that trend line and we don't see sufficient upside momentum and only rallies in 3 waves, there is no confirmed low. Also here, the last rally was only in 3 waves. So a bit disappointing that performance at the moment. But RNDR isn't really moving necessarily always with Bitcoin. So sometimes it moves on its own, as we've seen over the last year or so. That's my update about RNDR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.